Okay, so now we're gonna install Foxy, ROS2 Foxy. So let's go ahead and open up our terminal. Oops, this is not a terminal. Put this guy to the side, open up this. Okay, let's type in ROS2 Foxy. Okay, and we want to build ROS2 in Ubuntu Linux, right? And this is again Foxy distribution. And so okay, so now we just have to use these commands as a reference and install Foxy. So most of these commands are super quick. There are a couple of commands which I will tell you ahead of time, which do take up a lot of time. So just be mindful of that. As we are using these commands, you can see how they're very, very much different from the ROS1 commands of downloading like melodic on 18.04. So again, just be a little bit careful here when you're downloading these commands. Don't try to include the comments, and it's basically 4 parts, 4 different commands you have to execute over there. So now we'll be creating our workspace for Foxy. Okay, this will take a couple of moments here, so I'm just going to speed quickly. Okay, and then we'll do sudo raw step initiate. Okay, yes, we'll do that next. Raw step update. And then we'll do raw step install. This will take some time, around 20 to 30 minutes. So please be mindful of the time. And then there'll be another command, which would be Culkin build, which will also be around the same time, a little bit longer too. So just keep that in mind. So I'll go ahead and fast forward through these installations real quick. Okay, so after that install, now we'll do the next command, cd foxy, and then Culkin build. So like what I said before, this will take some time. So try to stay busy, drink a cup of tea, and this might take a while. Okay, so to download VirtualBox and run Ubuntu 20.04 is really, really easy. The first thing that you want to go ahead and do is type out Ubuntu 20.04 in Google and select Ubuntu 20.04 LTS Focal Foxy and download the desktop image. Then type in VirtualBox, scroll down and select the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, then click download VirtualBox and click Windows Host. Then click Windows Host and download the VirtualBox. So once you have VirtualBox open, go click on New, then name it like Ubuntu 20.04. Type Linux version, and then put this much of memory size. Then create new virtual disk now. Then virtual disk image, dynamically allocated, and put it around 30 to 40 gigabytes. And then you're gonna go into, so after you do that, click OK. Then go click on Ubuntu. Then click on Settings. And in Settings, go to Storage. And in Storage, you need to add your ISO disk. And then click OK. And now you can go ahead and start up Ubuntu. And you're good.